So for the solution of this particular exercise, what we are going to do is we would like to change the position of this particular rectangle. So that means we would like to move it horizontally, vertically, or in the direction pointing towards yourself or away from you. So that defines the direction X, Y, and Z. And each one of them is a number. And actually, to start with, you can put in a number for the free direction. So this is the X. And then we'll have the Y. So we're going to use the duplicate key. This is the Control D to duplicate this one. And then the next one for the Z axis. So the X direction is actually the horizontal direction, that is from left to right. And the Y direction is the vertical direction from top to bottom. And the last one, the Z direction, is actually in the third dimension, which is running away from yourself or running towards your eyes. And to work on with the translate objects, we need to connect all of them together. So we first disconnect this connection. To disconnect a connection, we click on it and you can see the appearance of the cross, and then you press the delete key. It disappears, and then you reconnect the three of them in this order. Then you can also, of course, tidy up. Save, and then go to the run mode. You create the gem window, start the rendering. In order to see the effect, you can reduce the size of the rectangle to have a look. The first thing we try is the x-axis movement. So this is the first number. We move towards the right hand side, left hand side. You can see the positive and negative size of this particular number in relation to the position. And for the y-axis, that's the second number. And then the last one is the z-axis. You see the negative number is moving away from your view, and the positive number is moving towards yourself up to a point it disappears. So we'll come back to the dimension and the measurement of the coordinate system. That is how you can view your objects in front of the screen in later discussion. So in this exercise, we have done how we can create a window for graphical processing. This is the gem window and the rendering. And the second part is how we can draw a graphical shape or graphical form on top of this window. We use the gem head. So actually it will tell the graphical system that you would like to perform something which is graphical, of course, along the line of this connection, starting from the gem head object up to the end. And with the rectangle object, we introduce the use of the number to change the size, the width and the height, and also the way it's rendered with just the outline or with the center color. And also the last object, translateXYZ, which try to relocate or try to move the objects in the graphical space in different directions, horizontal, vertical, and in the direction of the depth. So after that, we'll move on with more transformation other than the translate XYZ to work on with the graphical presentation.